You don't need a fortune to start investing. Even with a modest amount, you can begin your journey towards financial independence. With just $100, you can begin building wealth. This small step can lead to significant financial growth over time. It's about taking those first steps. Every journey starts with a single step, and investing is no different. Small amounts add up over time. Consistent small investments can grow into substantial sums through the magic of compounding. The power of compounding works wonders. Start small, dream big. Your initial investment can multiply significantly. Don't be intimidated by Wall Street jargon. Understanding the basics is enough to get started. Investing is for everyone, not just experts. Anyone can learn and benefit from investing. We'll guide you through the basics. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions. You'll gain the confidence to make smart decisions. Ready to get started? Let's embark on this financial journey together. Before investing, define your goals. What do you want to achieve? A down payment on a house? Early retirement? Write down your goals and a timeline. This gives your investments purpose. Short-term goals need quick access to money. Think savings accounts or money market funds. Long-term goals benefit from time. Investing in the stock market is ideal. Knowing your timeline helps determine your investment strategy. Let's break down common investment types. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When the company profits, so do you. Bonds are like loans to governments or companies. They provide regular interest payments. ETFs and mutual funds pool money from many investors. They invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. This spreads your risk. Understanding these basics helps you make informed choices. Section 4. Choosing your investment platform. Finding the right fit. Now, where do you buy these investments? Investment platforms are your gateway. Popular options include Robinhood, Fidelity, and Vanguard. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses. Consider the fees charged, the investments offered, and the platform's user-friendliness. Look for educational resources and research tools. Choosing the right platform makes your investing journey smoother. Section 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification for beginners. Diversification is a fundamental strategy for anyone looking to invest wisely. Diversification is key to managing risk. By spreading your investments, you can protect yourself from significant losses. Don't put all your money in one stock or asset class. This can be risky if that particular investment fails. Instead, spread it across different investments. This way, if one investment underperforms, others can help balance it out. Think of it like a balanced meal. Just as your body needs different nutrients to stay healthy, you need a variety of nutrients. Your portfolio needs a mix of investments to thrive. Invest in different sectors like technology, which can offer high growth potential, healthcare, which is often stable and essential, and energy, which can be a long-term play. Consider different asset classes like stocks and bonds. Bonds can provide stability when stocks are volatile. Diversifying reduces the impact of a single investment performing poorly. It helps ensure that your overall portfolio remains strong, even in uncertain times. Section 6. Start today, grow tomorrow. Your investment journey begins now. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the beginning of a new chapter in your financial life. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps towards financial empowerment. Every great journey begins with a single step, and today, you've made that crucial move. Investing is a journey, not a race. It's about making informed decisions, staying patient, and being committed to your goals. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Just like a plant needs time to grow, your investments need time to flourish. Don't be afraid to learn and adapt along the way. The financial world is ever-changing, and staying informed is key to your success. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Time is one of the most powerful tools in investing, allowing your money to grow exponentially. Even with $100, you can begin building a brighter financial future. It's not about how much you start with, but about starting. Start today and embrace the possibilities. The future is bright and the opportunities are endless. Your investment journey begins now and the sky's the limit.